After rigorously testing 18 different mop bucket sets over 3 months of daily cleaning, I've identified the 5 systems that truly excel at keeping floors spotless. Our comprehensive testing process, which includes various floor types, stubborn stains, and ergonomic evaluation, has revealed which sets are worth your money. Really worth your money. Each mop system has unique features that might be perfect for your cleaning needs, so make sure to watch the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description, so check it out. Number 5. The Bosheng Mop and Bucket System really caught my attention with its 360-degree rotating head. You know those annoying corners where dirt loves to hide? This thing just glides right in there. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and it's actually made mopping way less of a hassle than I expected. Really. One feature I really appreciate is the hands-free ringing system. Let's be real. Nobody likes touching dirty mop water, right? You just drop the mop in, push down, and it does all the work. The bucket's got this smart design with separate chambers for clean and dirty water, which means you're not just pushing around the same dirty water everywhere. Now, I should mention a couple of things I noticed. The bucket can be a bit awkward to fill under some kitchen faucets, and there's no drain plug. Kind of wish they'd thought of that. But honestly, these aren't deal breakers for me, especially given how well it works otherwise. The microfiber pads are pretty impressive. Really impressive. They pick up everything from dust to spills, and you can just toss them in the washing machine when they're dirty. I've washed mine several times now, and they're holding up great. It's nice. Really nice. Not having to keep buying replacement pads every few weeks, isn't it? What really sold me was how space efficient this whole system is. Everything nests together nicely, so it doesn't eat up half your closet space. Sure, you'll need to put it together when it arrives, but the setup is pretty straightforward. I've recommended it to my mom who has some back issues. The hands-free ringing has been a game changer for her. For what you're getting, this Bosheng system hits that sweet spot between quality and practicality. While it's not perfect, it definitely makes cleaning easier, especially if you're dealing with a lot of floor space or have any mobility concerns. The thoughtful design and durability make it worth considering. If you're in the market for a new mop system, isn't it? Number 4. The Tethys Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set tackles a common cleaning frustration, dealing with increasingly dirty mop water during cleaning. Its innovative dual-chamber design effectively separates clean and dirty water, similar to premium systems, but in a more space-saving format. Watching the water stay clean throughout your mopping session is remarkably satisfying. The microfiber pads are a standout feature. You receive 2 in the package, and their cleaning performance is exceptional across different flooring types. I've run them across hardwood, tile, and bamboo surfaces with consistently impressive results. They're machine washable too, which helps reduce ongoing maintenance costs, you know? The adjustable handle design shows real attention to detail. It really does. It extends to accommodate different heights. Perfect whether you're particularly tall or sharing cleaning duties with others. While some competitors offer full 360-degree rotation, this model's 280-degree swivel head provides more precise control, especially when navigating around furniture, though there is a slight learning curve for getting into tight spots, isn't there? During my testing, I discovered a couple of limitations worth noting. The mop head isn't ideal for scrubbing stubborn stains. You'll need to apply extra effort for those tough spots. Additionally, the bucket requires a substantial amount of water for optimal performance, which can make it somewhat heavy to transport. However, the storage solution is brilliantly engineered. Everything neatly tucks into the bucket when not in use, making it perfect for homes where storage space is limited. The dual drainage system is another thoughtful touch, eliminating the usual struggles with emptying heavy buckets. Isn't that great? Considering its price point, this Tethys set offers excellent value as a cleaning solution that genuinely simplifies the mopping process. For anyone seeking to upgrade their cleaning routine with something more efficient and user-friendly, this system definitely fits the bill. Number 3. The Joymoop Mop and Bucket Set addresses one of cleaning's biggest headaches, dealing with murky mop water. Similar to other premium models, it features a clever dual-chamber design that keeps fresh and used water apart, though Joymoop's implementation feels particularly well-engineered. Amazing. It's amazing how much difference this makes in ensuring you're actually cleaning your floors rather than redistributing grime. Really. The self-ringing mechanism is a standout feature. Simply place the mop head in the designated compartment and it rings itself dry, eliminating any need to handle dirty water or wet mop heads. The full 360-degree rotating head, which offers more range than some competitors' limited rotation, makes it incredibly easy to maneuver around furniture legs and into tight bathroom spaces. With an adjustable handle ranging from 26.5 to 60 inches, it accommodates users of any height and makes reaching elevated areas a breeze. The compact design is another practical advantage. All components nest together efficiently, which is ideal for homes where storage space comes at a premium. While the lightweight plastic construction might initially raise durability concerns, it proves surprisingly robust in practice. There's also a slight learning curve to finding the optimal water level for best performance, but this becomes second nature after a few uses. Really, The included microfiber pads deserve special mention. They're not only washable and reusable, saving money over disposable alternatives, but they also demonstrate exceptional absorption capabilities. When you factor in all the features and functionality, the price point represents solid value. For anyone seeking a more efficient approach to floor cleaning, this Joymoop system delivers impressive results. Though it has minor quirks, its ability to streamline the mopping process and deliver consistently clean floors makes it a worthwhile investment for any household. Number 2, the Oshang Flat Mop with Collapsible Bucket really stands out by eliminating the tedious task of manual mop wringing. Unlike traditional systems, its innovative squeegee mechanism offers a fresh take on hands-free operation that sets it apart from competitors, doesn't it? After testing it extensively, I can confirm it performs exceptionally well across multiple surfaces, from hardwood and tile to vertical bathroom walls. The cleaning efficiency really shines when dealing with pet hair and everyday dirt. Its specialized scraper design efficiently removes debris from the mop head without direct contact, while the extra-wide coverage area means fewer passes to complete your cleaning tasks. When you're tackling those weekend chores, this time-saving feature becomes invaluable. Storage convenience is where this system truly excels. The collapsible bucket design addresses space limitations brilliantly, and the addition of smooth rolling wheels eliminates the strain of carrying heavy water loads between rooms, a practical touch that many competing models overlook. Really, during extended use, I did notice some minor considerations. The mop pad stitching requires careful attention during washing, and you might experience slight handle wobble during vigorous scrubbing sessions. However, these small issues don't significantly impact its overall performance, do they? What makes this system particularly practical is its versatility. Seamlessly transitioning between wet mopping and dry dusting eliminates the need for multiple cleaning tools. The washable microfiber pads demonstrate impressive dirt trapping capabilities, and when replacement questions arise, their customer service proves remarkably responsive with next-day communication. Considering the investment, this Oshang system delivers exceptional value through its thoughtful design and functionality. While not without minor imperfections, it significantly streamlines the cleaning process. For anyone seeking a space-conscious upgrade to their current mopping setup, this solution merits serious consideration, especially given its dual-purpose capabilities and reliable performance. Number 1, the Bosheng Mop and Bucket Set impresses with its innovative dual-tank design, a game-changer, really, for anyone who's dealt with floors taking forever to dry after mopping. While sharing this feature with Tethys and Joymoop models, Bosheng's version stands out for its exceptional drying efficiency, letting you resume normal activities sooner. The daily practicality of this system is where it truly shines. Its self-cleaning mechanism eliminates direct contact with dirty water. Just a simple squeeze, and the mop head is ready for more cleaning. The 360-degree rotating head proves incredibly nimble, outperforming Tethys's 280-degree rotation when navigating furniture and reaching those tricky corner spots, doesn't it? I'm particularly impressed with the handle's smart design. It extends smoothly for tackling walls or accessing under furniture areas with a secure locking mechanism that prevents unwanted movement. The included microfiber pads, though not as expansive as Oshang's, excel at handling both liquid spills and dust accumulation. Their machine washable nature adds long-term value. Storage-wise, it's surprisingly compact, though not quite matching Oshang's collapsible innovation. Assembly does present some challenges. The instructions could use improvement, and there have been occasional reports of the mop head detaching during use. While worth noting, these issues don't significantly impact its overall functionality. When comparing value propositions, this Bosheng set delivers exceptional features for its price point. The dual-tank system is a standout element, and while it might not be your go-to for heavy-duty cleaning tasks, it excels at routine maintenance. For those seeking to simplify their daily mopping routine, this system offers a compelling combination of efficiency and convenience that makes it a worthy contender in your cleaning arsenal.